In this video, we'll learn about how to manage blood sugar level spike after meal. Well, many of my patients walk my clinic, sit down with me while I consult them, and they share saying that, sir, our fasting blood sugar level, also our postprandial blood sugar level is extremely high. Well, when I say postprandial blood sugar level, I'm referring to is post your meal the blood sugar level reading that comes. So that is something most people find or are struggling to bring it down. Now, let me share a detailed understanding of how can you do that. But before that, let me tell you who I am. I am Dr. Aniket Banvi. Having done my bachelor's degree in naturopathy and yogic science, I help people knock diabetes effectively. I work as an lifestyle physician. Well, as I said, that many people suffer from high blood sugar level after they have meal or their lunch, dinner, or breakfast. So, how do we bring this down? And is it good that it is going above? And is it harming our body? Well, definitely yes. If the postprandial blood sugar level, which needs to be in a normal range, what do we mean by normal range? Is somewhere between 120 to 140 is the normal range that we set ourselves for. But whenever it goes above that level, then the body is being injured internally in the long term. It will not cause you any harm today, but eventually it will start damaging your internal body parts. Eventually, you can suffer from retinopathy, neuropathy, and many other such complications. Nephropathy, your kidneys will be damaged. And once the blood sugar level crosses 180 mg per dl, usually the body starts throwing out the excess glucose from the body through urination. So these are multiple ways how your body is trying to cope up when the blood sugar level is extremely high. And especially after you have your meal, your blood sugar level is high. And there are certain simple protocols that we are able to draw down. When I study numerous research papers, it says that we can bring the postprandial blood sugar level or the post meal blood sugar level down by doing certain set of protocols effectively. And I'll be sharing with you in this video 3 of those things. So make sure that you stay with us till the end, because we will be sharing you a good amount of information which will be beneficial not just for a diabetic but for also a person who is non-diabetic or a pre-diabetic or a person who is looking forward to prevent any kind of lifestyle diseases. This is not just specifically for diabetes, but also diabetics have found numerous results by bringing their down postprandial blood sugar level from somewhere between 180, they bring it down to 140, even 130, or near to 120 also, when they have implemented it rigorously for the next 3 months or 6 months. So you need to implement it for 3 to 6 months to see certain change in your lifestyle. So let me share with you the very first one. Before you have your meal, eat a plate of salad. A fiber rich food is something that you should add in your lifestyle. There are multiple reasons to it. One of the reason is being it activates your good gut bacteria, as these fibers also slow down the blood sugar level. They does not spike the blood sugar level, they stunt the blood sugar level. They help in production of insulin also. They are beneficial in activating incretin. This in relation will increase the insulin production also. They also activate your good bacteria and good for your gut health. So these are some things very beneficial that can be done to stop this rise of your blood sugar level, and that is mainly by adding good amount of fibers. Now, what are fibers that you should be adding? Cucumber, carrot, onion, lemon, all these things, salad, raw salads which you see are beneficial for your gut health, for stopping the spike of blood sugar level. That is number 1. Number 2, I would ask you to not eat when you are stressed, or don't eat while you are extremely stressed. The reason is because when you are in a stressful scenario, the body has activated a mechanism called as flight and fright. or I would say a sympathetic nervous system. This is the system which says the body saying that the person is going to either fight the situation or run away from the situation, and he needs good amount of glucose. So release the glucose that is stored in your body. Then glycogen is converted into glucose and is being spread out throughout your body. Now that is when also you will see an increased blood sugar level in your body. So please make sure that you are not stressed while you are eating, and you are absolutely calm, zen, while you are about to have your meal. And that is how you can stop the rise of your postprandial blood sugar level, or also the spike of your blood sugar level after your meal. So that is one of the point. The other point, the last point, the third point which I would bring up is, after your meal, take a walk. Take a walk for 15 to 20 minutes. Researchers have found out that post-meal walk happens to be so much beneficial in bringing down the blood sugar level that it is helping numerous diabetics in controlling their postprandial blood sugar level, or the sudden spike of blood sugar level after their meal. So these are certain protocols, 3 protocols. Number 1, I will summarize it for you. Number 1, add fibers before your meal. Don't eat when you are stressed. And number 3, don't make any kind of an activity that is lazy activity, like going to sleep or so. Third point is, please make sure that you walk for 15 to 20 minutes after your meal. And doing so will help you bring down your post-meal blood sugar level down, or the post-meal spike of blood sugar level that you see can be brought down very easily. And to know more such of information, subscribe to knockdiabetes.com, and also look out for the numerous information that we are going to provide, scientifically researched back protocols that I have studied to bring the best of the best protocols to manage your diabetes, to knock diabetes from your life. I am Dr. Ankit Banvi, and I will see you in the next video.